Sleepy time with Molly's Beagle puppies. Today is April the 2nd, and they were born on March 20, no, not the 29th, they were born on the 19th. Their little eyes are actually open. Look at this. These adorable little lemon babies. They're all boys, these lemons. I'll have to turn them around so we can actually see their little faces. See this guy, he's cooperating. So cute. They're like, that's making a lot of noise. Hey, that's good. It's waking you guys up rather than putting you to sleep. Now put me to sleep. Let's curl up here with some puppies. So this guy in the end is a nice big chubby boy, tricolor boy. And let's see what this one is. I forget if this was a little girl or a little boy. We should do their nails too. Oh, that's our baby girl. Hey, sweetie. You're the only little girl. You precious little baby. Let's turn you around this way too. There you go, honey. Yeah. Let's get this little guy turned around. There he goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're just absolutely gorgeous little babies. Cape Crusader. It's his little dark nose. Let me turn your music back on. The lemons liked it. They didn't wake up at all. That's music. Little baby noises. So let's take a look at these little lemons. And please ignore the snuffling. I have a cold. I try not to snuffle too much through this. Oh, hello there. Oh, you're so beautiful. Look at the little guy. Hi, your eyes are open, eh? Yeah, look at you. Oh, cutie. He's a handsome boy. That's a nice chunky boy. There he is. I'm going to turn around this way. As if I have to. Beautiful long ears. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous ears. And then we have, I'm going to take a look at this little tiny one. My little cutie. Little teensy weensy weensy baby. Oh, oh, oh. You're just a handful. Hi there. Poor little guy. Didn't have a very good grip on you, did I? Here. Put you down here with your brother. Got a messy little spot on your blankie. Let's see your little face, honey. Oh, look at your little face. Oh, you're so cute. So cute. Let's see your big chunky brother over here. Hey, chunky brother, you're stuck. I have a messy blanket. Oh, look at you. So handsome. Oh, man, he didn't like that. He didn't like that at all. Hi, cutie. Now you got a dirty bum. I have to get a wet wipe now. Okay, so I've lost track of our little girl. Pretty sure this was a little boy, though. So he had two little marks on the back of his neck, his head. It's a boy. Hey, chubby bubby boy. You are very handsome. Look at you. Beautiful, beautiful baby boy. So we're going to have to try to sort out puppies and who's going where. Don't know quite yet. You guys are getting so old. I'm going to sort this out. Let me see. Aw, so this is the tiniest tricolor male right here with the little Cape Crusader nose. Oh my goodness, he's cute. So there's our two little boys. And let's see, this big chubby guy's gotta be a boy. He's a monster. And he's a boy. He's a monster boy. There's 1, 2, and 3. So
only one girl.
dots. Yeah, so one female in the whole litter is this sweet little girl right here. And of course, she's reserved already because she's beautiful. She was reserved before she was even born. Sorry, honey. See the pattern on these guys. Beautiful, beautiful babies. So let's call this Lemon Boy number 1. You can't go by your speckly nose because that'll color in. Oh, can I say you're the noisiest one? Okay. It's like, I don't like that. So he's got a little mark up here. He's probably got the most color, except, well, the little tiny guy. But so the two bigger boys have distinct markings. Just another big boy. He's got some little dots on his head and long ears. Hey, sweetie. My goodness, they're nice babies. And then the little tiny guy. Oh, you little tiny guy. Oh, very, very cute. Okay, so that's all of Molly's sweet little babies.